So, good afternoon to our panelists, to our instructor, and to our classmates. Our civil engineering project is entitled Asbestos Facility Management Plan. So our brief overview first is the introduction, objectives, then the significance of the study, and the technical evaluation containing the structural plans, estimations, financials, and sustainabilities. So, all physical activities related to a proposed structure occur on construction sites. Construction sites are dangerous places of work since many construction workers encounter asbestos-containing materials that cause ovarian, lung, and laryngeal cancers, as well as mesothelioma. According to the most recent statistics, 1.3 million construction workers are exposed to asbestos and approximately 90,000 people die yearly from asbestos-related diseases worldwide. Due to the country's rapid economic growth, asbestos is widely used in construction, which is made worse by the scarcity of affordable alternatives and the relatively low level of public awareness of the hazards of asbestos. Proposing a prevention plan will assist every construction site in lessening the impact of asbestos on construction workers and is viable solution in the construction industry and the environment.
For our objectives, first, to develop a comprehensive plan for effective and safe managing asbestos-containing materials within the facility, and to reduce pollution and control the impact of asbestos on health. So, this study aims to outline strategies and protocols for identifying, assessing, and controlling asbestos hazards, ensuring compliance with the relevant regulations and standards. The objective is to provide a clear and practical framework for the safe handling, removal, and disposal of asbestos, while minimizing health risks to occupants, workers, and the environment.
So for the significance of our study, since we all know that asbestos-containing materials pose significant health risks if they are not handled properly, our asbestos facility management plan ensure the construction sites are effectively, safely, and in compliance with relevant standards and regulations. And in terms of health and safety, it provides guidelines on how to manage asbestos-containing materials safely, reducing the risk of asbestos exposure to occupants, workers, and the environment. And in compliance, it ensures compliance with relevant regulations and standards. And for the environmental protection, it provides guidelines for the proper disposal of asbestos-containing materials, minimizing the impact on the environment.
The storage facility was essential to any company that requires the storage of asbestos-containing materials. The facility plan measures 10 by 15 and 5 meters high. The technical aspect of the storage facility include the design and installation of electrical components. For example, exhaust fans, extinguisher, and other technical systems. So,
The estimated cost of the building facility management include concrete work, river work, formwork, steel work, roofing work, electrical work, and others. It was listed in here the materials required, the estimated quantity and the total cost of each material and the facility's overall final cost.
Financials. The following are the assumptions for the worst case scenario that may occur before, after, and during the operations. For the current 5 projects per year, which
rental fees and cost 75,000 per barrio. Sustainability is economical. Reducing the risk associated with ACMs, a facility can avoid potential health and legal liabilities and minimize downtime caused by emergency response or remediation activities. Social, ensuring that its employees and tenants are protected from potential health risks associated with ACMs, and the facility can establish trust and transparency with the surrounding community. Environment. Proper disposal of ACMs in accordance with relevant regulations and standards. Facilities can minimize the potential for environmental contamination and promote environmental sustainability.
So thank you for listening. We are now open for recommendations and clarifications.
Grabe, ang bilis naman nun. 6 minutes lang. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Mamadali naman kayo masyado.
Why asbestos? What is asbestos? Kindly expand what is asbestos.
Sir, asbestos is a argyllous mineral used in construction materials because of its strength and durability, and it's used for fireproofing, building materials, and structures.
Saan siya nilalagay?
Sir, and
Sir, is ano kasi siya sir, component na po siya ng tiles, ceiling tiles ganun po sir. Parang nasa mga construction materials.
Admixtures.
Yes po sir.
Pag ito decompose saan? Sa flowchart.
Sa methodology po.
Yes. Methods of control. Can you please expound more about this one? Each method. For the answer, I commend your presentation. That was for me a very good slide deck that I saw so far.
Thank you sir.
The answer.
sir, sa may methods of control po is kasama po doon yung mechanical handling. Bali, sir, dun sa materials po na containing po ng asbestos. Then, dun po sa may control program po, sir, is yun po yung parang may record po siya kung sino po yung sino po yung naghenda and yung sir, workers and engineers.
Sir, yung ano po, asbestos, so, yung parang ano, professional po sa paghanda ng asbestos. Safety officer din po. Yes sir.
And then,
Sir, sa may design and installation po. Ay,
Mr. Diesto, maki-flash naman yung PowerPoint ninyo and then show us the plans, mga ganyan. Ano nyo, wala na ako.
sir, yung sa may facility po is dapat well-planned po siya at saka ma-maintain po yung yes sir. Then well-planned po at saka well-maintained po siya.
of what?
Sanitation, sir. In terms of sanitation po.
Sir, dapat po sir is well planned siya para po ma-maintain na makip yung hazardous na yung hazardous na materials po. Para ma-separate po siya sa others and para hindi po siya ma-expose or ma-ano pa sa air. Kumbaga po. Ganun. So, dapat
So, paki-explain niya, ano nangyayari sa management practice?
Sa installation po, sir. Lahat. So yung goal po namin, sir, sa storage, dapat po, pag nag-store po kami ng asbestos dun, dapat po ventilate po siya. Kasi kailangan po ng hangin. Then yung mga windows po namin, parang may filter po siya para hindi po siya mag-spread. Kasi po pag wala pong hangin, magugulong po yung mga dust and pag pumasok po
Your final
yung
goal,
our goal, sir, is to para hindi po siya mag-spread yung mga asbestos.
because your title here is asbestos facility management, right? So asbestos is a admixture of
Yung mga yung mga materials na nagkatan ng tiles, ganun po. Yung po yung
tiles.
tiles, fireproofing, yung mga vinyl, ganun po.
So because I cannot see here the details. Your tiles